What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. We're going to be installing the optic fiber or fiber optic lights in this beautiful 2021 Accord right here that my friend dropped off with me. We're going to be installing the lights for him. The best part is I like the fact that the seller has 6 projectors. See that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, where's the 6th one? Right there. It's early morning. There you go. You got 6 projectors right there, guys, which is going to cover both the center console and all my 4 doors. So that's perfect. And we're going to be using 1 amp. So I'm gonna scan this app first and then start the installation. All right, so for now I'm gonna be using these 2 for the front center console because their wires are like enough, but like as in like we don't need all this wire anyway. So the third one, like this, the same wiring, we used one for the back. I just threw it there, so it's right here. I just threw it there for now, but once I start installing it, I'll get there. And there's 3 that's really like super long to reach. I dropped those 2 right here for now because I'm gonna run them through the panel in the back, right in the bottom. I'll show you guys real quick. And I also dropped 1 wire in the back as well on this side for the passenger door behind me. But for now, let's focus on these 2 projectors, starting in the center console area. So what you want to do is you want to grab yourself a pry tool, plastic pry tool, and go into this right here and pull outwards. It will come right out. I think I need one that's a bit narrower. There you go, should do it, I think. Yeah, this one's thick as well, so I'm gonna try to get, but it went in a little bit pressure right here. See that? It's open. And then you want to do the same thing over here, right there. And now same thing over here as well. There's a spot right here in the corner is what you want to get. Right here, this is what you want to grab and pull outwards, and then pull outwards a bit extra. There's a clip here, and I believe there's a clip over here somewhere that will clip out, and then you'll be able to easily put the fiber optic through here. Then we're going to go downwards. All right, guys, so this is open. See right there, like so. This is also open. So this is the clip I was talking about right here. So when you grab it, you kind of pull a little hard, and then this thing comes off from here and then from here as well, so you have this gap to put the fiber in. Once you put it in, you just push it together really tight, and same thing here, kind of make it tight. Same thing right here. Use the trim tool. There's 3 clips, 1, 2, and 3. It's a bit tough, so use something like this, something like that. That would do it. See that? So go in there and pull downwards, and go in here, pull downwards, go in here, pull downwards. All right. And we'll go ahead and insert the fiber right now. All right, so once your light is like this, is like lined up, you want to line it up here and then push it in. Same thing here, same thing here. Once you make sure you hold it with this thumb down and you press inwards, and then you kind of punch it lightly to make sure it clicks in. Same thing here. When you put the fiber here in this area, you want to close this section to make it tight, so you close that gap area. And then you want to work your way up to here, and yeah, then you just kind of press inwards really hard, and then it should close it. Close it up like that. It's perfectly fine. I like it the way it is now. He's gonna be excited when I do it. He only sees this actually. And then here we're just gonna go down, like we're gonna put some 3M tape on this side, on like in the corner right here. on the side, and then in the middle a little bit, and then on the side over here to bring it back up right this section. Yep, so I'll show you that real quick right now. All right, so that's what we did, and just to test it out. Oh wow, these are a lot brighter than the other brand. Honestly, this is a lot brighter. Check this out. Yeah, I would definitely buy these. These are bright. You could probably see them in daytime too, a little bit. Yeah, so that's how it's done. You could change the dim, of course, and change any light you want, anything like that. As you could see, I was gonna show you the bottom part. I put some 3M tape right here. Gorilla 3M tape is the best. And right here, and one in the middle on this side, and one on this side. So I put it like right flushed with this area, so it doesn't look like it's all the way back there. It's flushed in with this spot. And then going up is a little bit inwards, because when you want to make sure you grab that and line it up in there first, and then squeeze this together, so you don't want to have any excessive out or anything like that. You can always fix this a little bit by pulling it out a little bit, like pull it that way, but it's fine. This is perfectly fine with me. Yeah, this side is done. Make sure you put the fiber optic, close it like that, and now we're gonna go on this side. So same thing you want to do here with the trim pry tool. Grab this part and I'll show you the rest. All right, so you have it right here. See, clips, a few clips here, and then whenever you want to use the trim tool, use it right here. So it pops right out, and then from here, see, I have a trim tool right there to loosen up the spot. See that? You can see the gap with the flashlight. And then here it goes in on its own. It's easy, but in the middle it's a bit tough, so you just got to use the pry tool right here, which will help you loosen up that. See, it just clipped. You heard that sound? Well, not the dropping of that, but yeah, see that gap now? Right there. So you want to do the same thing like that, and it's a bit loose now. See that? Now you can easily put the fiber through it. All right, so that's in. See that? It's in perfect. And then up here, whenever you reach up here, you just kind of make it like well flushed, and then you could close this spot in, so this way it doesn't come back out. Now you just got to work your way on top area. That's it. All right, guys, that's it. That's for the center console. Next video is gonna be on the door lighting. I don't want to make it a really long video, so just one thing at a time, guys. You know, this way whenever you finish one thing, you can just step on the next video. That'll be a lot easier for you as well. So let's just test it out. And you can change any colors you want. Check it out. It's pretty bright, so I'm happy with it. This is awesome quality right here, and I have enough left over to do the doors. I'm about to show you guys in the next video. That's it. I'll put the link in the description below if you want to purchase it, along with the Gorilla 3M tape, the cutting tools and stuff like that. So make sure you're subscribed, and if you haven't already, enable all notifications to be notified on upcoming videos. It's going to be awesome. Thanks for tuning back in. Appreciate the support. Peace out, guys. So this is how the lights will look. I actually put it on gradual 7 color changing mode so you guys could see it. This is on halfway dimness. So once you have it 100% dimness, it'll be a lot brighter than this. The quality is great, guys. Check it out. Even the footwell light is on very dim. The footwell is like about 15% brightness right now, not 100. These are 55% brightness right now. I love the quality on this. And I'll put the link in the description below, guys. That's that simple. Check out these different colors. I put on 7 different, like, you know, changing colors so you guys can see it. See all different colors on it mostly. It has more colors, of course, but it's just the mode I just chose. You could have it synced with your music and stuff like that. You could have one solid color. Footwell lights right there, you can change the colors for that as well. So I'll put the links in the description below for this and the footwell lighting as well. And also, if you are purchasing the underglows, I will have a installation video on that too. So how I install my underglows, you could do it the same way. That's it, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe. I appreciate the support. And until next time, stay safe and peace out. This is awesome, right? It's great. It's a different vibe at night.